Here are 5 of the biggest things in search engine optimization that nobody's talking about. And if they are talking about it, they're not acting on it enough. Let's go through them so at the end of this video, you can have an edge for search engine optimization. Number 1, voice search engine optimization. Voice queries are growing. In 2020, it was predicted that 50% of searches would be done by voice. I don't think we're quite there yet, but it is growing substantially. My action item for you is to optimize all of your content using conversational phrases. Also, check out the schema that's directly around voice. Number 2, video content for SEO. This might be one of my biggest things right now. Create engaging video content that answers common questions in your industry. Whatever your customers are asking, make a video on it and answer it. Number 3, mobile search engine optimization. It's important to be mobile first. You want to make sure your website's mobile friendly. Pro tip, there's a mobile friendly report inside of Google Search Console that's going to show you how you're scoring. Mobile devices generated over 50% of global website traffic in Q1 of 2023, so this is the place you need to be spending the most of your time for SEO, conversion rate optimization, and user experience. Number 4, user experience in Core Web Vitals. Did you know that a 1-second delay in your page load can lead to a 7% loss in conversions? You need your website to be super fast. You need it to load correctly with the right items. Every second that it goes longer, it's going to be another 7% loss in conversions. Get fast. Focus on improving site speed. Check out the Core Web Vitals report inside of Google Search Console. Work on it over time. Number 5, local SEO in Google My Business. But wait, did you know pretty much any business can do local SEO and local paid media? You can bring any national, international business down to the local level with the right strategy. And Google My Business is really front and center, even with all these generative AI updates. They have made a big push to keep it in the limelight of Google search. 46% of Google searches are looking for local information. Optimize your Google My Business listing. Every business has one, at least for the main location. If you got multiple locations, you really want to invest in that. And even if you don't have physical locations, you need a local SEO strategy. And that's going to tie in perfectly with your local paid media strategy. Those landing pages can be used for the same thing. In fact, if you don't use them for the same thing, you won't do as well in paid media. Focus on these 5 strategies and you're going to do really well in SEO. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.